Okay, so unfortunately, we had a bear attack. He destroyed the beehive. He ripped the bark off where the lock was. He ripped the bark off. He pulled the screws. He literally bent them right out of the wood. The hinges, you could see, are just completely unconnected. He got inside and he ate every last bit. He ate them all. Yeah. You can see one of the hives here. We had like 4 racks that were full of bees. So this is a learning process. We definitely are learning the hard way, which is the story of my life. So real soon we're going to perfect this thing. What we're going to do is I'm going to rip all the bark off. I'm going to then screw everything, the lock and all the hinges directly to the wood. I'm going to treat the wood. And I know they'll be back, so the only way to really secure this is to put an electrical fence around this. So I'm going to do something like a maybe 15 by 15, 15 by 20 parameter. And because we would like to put some other ones, this would be the main one, of course. And we'd like to get some other boxes, so, make it big enough. But I don't think there's any other way to keep these bears out other than an electrical fence. So that's the next step, and I'm going to make some videos of the progress, and I'll put them consecutive with this one, and show you the progress as to how we get this done. It's late February now, and I expect, a couple weeks of working on this. I have some time now, so. So she put them all in.
Yep.
How many frames did you put in?
So there's 5 full frames.
Nice.
One frame was ridiculously heavy with honey, and while I was installing it and pushing it in, it slipped and I got a little honey. I'm going to let you guys taste.
Awesome.
On the tip of my tool here. So they're all set. I'm going to leave the door open for now so that the bees that are flying outside can find their way to the hive. When they calm down a little bit, then I'll go ahead and shut the door, and they can start finding their way in and out through the holes that Chris had installed.
Awesome. So we're back at scratch one from last year. We were doing so great. Bear came. So next step is I'm going to be installing an electric fence. There's no other way. No other way. So until that time.